Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. In this guide video, I'm going to show you how to delete your LastPass account on your device. Now before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, open up your web browser. So you can use any web browser that is convenient to you. So as for this video, I'm using Google. Now right on top, you can see a search bar. So in order to delete your LastPass account, first of all, you'll have to log in. Otherwise, your account won't be deleted. So then tap on the search box and then enter the link that is www.lastpass.com, and I will leave the link on the description box as well. Now on the other page, you will land inside the official site. Now on this following page, in the upper right corner, you can see login option, so tap on it. So next you'll have to enter your login detail, that is the email address and the password that is associated with your LastPass account. Now once you're done entering your information, tap on login, which is right at the bottom. So here, as you can see that I'm logged in. So next what you can do is you can either close this tab or you can just simply leave it like this. So now open up a new tab. So once again, you'll have to enter another link that is lastpass.delete. So in case if you are confused with the deletion link, I will leave it on the description box as well. So you can find the deletion link on the description box. Now once you enter the deletion link on the other page, you will land inside official site. So as you can see, there are two different options, that is reset your account and delete your account. Now before you tap on delete, make sure to go through the following statement carefully. Only then tap on delete. Now as you tap on delete, once again there is a pop-up window, so make sure to go through the following statement carefully and then tap on yes. Now once again there is a confirmation, so make sure to go through the following statement carefully. Now before you delete your account, in order to verify, you'll have to enter a password that is associated with your LastPass account. Now once you're done entering your password, so next you'll have to select the reason why you're deleting your account. Now there are multiple options, so you can select any one of these following options. And on the third step, there is additional information or additional detail. So you can either type in your feedback or you can either type in your reason why you're deleting your account, or else you can simply leave it blank and then tap on delete in the bottom left corner. Now once again there is a confirmation, so in case you have made up your mind, so tap on yes. So next you have the last confirmation, in case if you're sure, so tap on yes. Now as you can see, there is an update that says your LastPass account has been permanently deleted and all of your data has been purged from our system, which means that you'll not be able to restore your LastPass account again. And that is how you can delete your LastPass account on your device. Now that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.